What's up, everybody? Brianna Britt here. So, this is my audition video for this collab channel. So, let's get started. So, first, we're going to be answering some questions so I could be on this collab channel. So, question number 1. What is your name? My name is Brianna Britt. Who knows I said that in the beginning too. So, question number 2. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. I just graduated high school this year. Question number 3. Where you live? I live in sunny Redmond, Oregon. It's not even a mountain country because it's really hot. It's like 90 degrees. Hot. Question number 4. 3 facts about yourself. Number 1. You guys haven't noticed, I'm a nerd. I'm a computer freak. I know how to use software. I search up stuff like I went on to my computer. We don't have internet, but I'm looking at talking about internet. I know how to do all that other stuff. It usually takes me if I get on new software, I'm don't hold me. I want to figure out how to do it myself. My second fact about me, I wear glasses. If you haven't noticed that, yeah, I can't see without glasses. I'm blind without my glasses. Number 3, I'm incredible at sports. I've never played on the team before, but I'm kind of good at softball. I play soccer. I like to ride bikes. I don't sing good, so the sports I'm good at volleyball, good at badminton. Football I'm good at, soccer I'm good at, softball not that good. So if you watch me, I'm not that good at doing softball or anything. Sports, I already said that. Hope you guys like this audition video. Hope you guys choose me. I'm funny. I'm outgoing. I love the outdoors. Love to meet new people. And I love doing skits and all these other things you want me to do for the video. I could do 25 cents. I could do all these other stuff. I could do challenges. That's what I've been wanting to do. I want to do coffee. So I want to join this one. This one sounds really fun. And I'm just love to meet new people, make new friends. I hope you pick me. And hope you guys like it. My name is Brianna Britt. Hope you pick me.